When a customer adds lighting and you can see the before and after and the reaction that they have when you turn those lights on for the first time, it's a pretty cool experience.
Mr. Electric is a service company. They just happen to do electric work. We're really about improving the lives of people that we get to work with and then the community in general.
The technician is expected to arrive early, a couple minutes early at least. They're going to come to the door, they're going to lay down a mat, they're going to put floor savers on before they walk in the house and be 100% respectful of that home and what goes on in there.
And then they will come in, they will speak with the customer. The customer can take them through the process, and during that process they will be doing their home safety check.
When we're in the home, we have a standard, a way that we do things to make sure that we don't miss things, that the house is safe, and that the customer is comfortable with everything, and I think that makes a big difference.
We show up, we do what we say we're going to do, and we do the little things right. That makes a huge difference for the customers.